July 14, 2011, and it's about a little after 8 o'clock, and we're getting some rain here. As you can see, it pours, it rains pretty well. Actually raining harder a few minutes ago. And it usually rains in the late afternoon, and now it's raining pretty good. Late afternoon, evening, into the night, and during the day it's usually clear. It clears up. So back there is where the hill is, but you can't see it with all the precipitation. So you can see, don't really need to water. It rains pretty regularly here, about once a week. There was some lightning. Once or twice a week. So it's now about 12:30 the next day, July 15, 2011, and as you can see, it's sunny, a little bit overcast, but almost no sign of it having rained yesterday. It's really pretty. But mid 80s. And everything is green. Very typical of Tennessee. Rains in the late afternoon, evening, part ways through the night, and then the next day, during the day it's sunny.